everybody, Crypto Caesar from Caesar Capital. Hope you are well. It's the 6th of May, 2023. And today we're going to have a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. If you follow me on Twitter, you probably saw this chart that I posted the other day. This is Bitcoin, as I say, on the weekly time frame with the Gaussian channel running underneath it. And the interesting thing about Bitcoin and the Gaussian channel is that every time Bitcoin drops below the Gaussian channel in these cycles, so you can see here these cycles are up, then we come down below the Gaussian channel, then we get up above it, then there's a good run, then there's a bear market, we come down below the Gaussian channel, then we come up above it, and then there's a good run. And then in a bear market, again, we drop below the Gaussian channel, and then we get back up above it. And the interesting thing about the Gaussian channel is that once, or historically, the data suggests that once Bitcoin closes a weekly candle above the median line on the Gaussian channel, so the median line is the line that runs through the Gaussian channel. Once Bitcoin closes a weekly candle above the median line, having dropped below the Gaussian channel, once it closes that weekly candle on or above the median line, it goes on a pretty good run. And we can see here in the bear market where we dropped below back in 2014, continued below into 2015, and there was a decent move up, closed a weekly candle above the median line. And it had about a 52% move before it had a pullback and tested the top of the Gaussian channel. So it's a pretty good move from the median line. Then we had the cycle in 2017, pulled back down into 2018, below the Gaussian channel as it does in a bear market, respected the 200-week moving average. Then in sort of March, April time, it started its move up into the Gaussian channel, closed a weekly candle above the median line. And on this occasion in 2019, it went on a really good run. It went from the median line until it pulled back significantly. The move was 110.38%. So really decent, significant move. Then in 2020, when we had the COVID low that came in, which is a little bit of an outlier, but generally speaking in charts, I think. But what's interesting about this is that, again, it dropped below the Gaussian channel itself, not for very long, but it was there a couple of weeks below the Gaussian channel. But once it got up above the median line and it closed a weekly candle above the median line, it went on a 47% move before any significant pullback. So again, a decent move. And we can see here, this is the bear market, of course, of 2022 going into 2023, below the Gaussian channel, as always. But then Bitcoin makes this, convincing move to the upside into the Gaussian channel. And now it's been able to close many weekly candles above the Gaussian, above the median line on the Gaussian channel, which of course we know, generally speaking, historically brings quite a significant move. We've also got as support the median line of the Gaussian channel, but also we have the 200-week SMA, which is confluent with the median line on the Gaussian channel, and the top of the bull market support band, which is running through here. And they're all confluent around here. So 26K or 26.1 seems to be a significant support for Bitcoin. But anyway, going back to my point, if we look back in history, it's quite clear that once Bitcoin, after a significant low, after a bear market low, once it gets above, it closes a weekly candle above the median line on the Gaussian channel, it goes on these pretty significant moves to the upside. And we had 52% in 2015, we had 110% in 2019, and 47.66% in June of 2020. Now, if we add, if we get the average between those three percentage moves, we get about 70.85%. And interestingly enough, if Bitcoin were to run 70.85% from the median line on the Gaussian channel, that would take us to about 47.6K, which is kind of the target that we have in my group. It's you know, anything between 42, 52K, that kind of area. So that's quite interesting. And that's the video for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to join the group, please reach out to us either via Twitter, which is probably the easiest way, or via the website. And if it's via the website, we will honor to answer your email within at least 12 hours. If it's on Twitter, within 2 hours. All right. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a good weekend. There's a Bitget promotion also in the description. And yeah, take care. Thank you very much for listening.